elementary teachers that would like to play with iBooks Author. It is not in self-service, so we need to open up the Mac App Store. And I just use Spotlight by using the command spacebar keyboard command. And I typed in Mac App, and it filled, and I opened it right up. And here, I'm going to write in iBooks. And you're going to see that I'm going to get a whole bunch of things up. But what we want is iBooks Author right there. And then you can click the download button there. I think it says free. I already have it installed, so that's why it says open. Once I do have it downloaded, in order to download this, you'll have to enter in your own personal Apple ID, just like you have for your iPad. I'm going to use Spotlight search again. That's command space, and I'm going to type in iBook Author. There it is. Hit return. And it's going to start me with a few templates, and I'm actually going to just walk you through the basic template here, but it's definitely worth browsing through these. So I'm going to hit that one and choose. Oh, I could also just create a there's a blank one right there, but I'm going to have a little placeholders there, so I'm going to hit choose. And here it is. iBooks Author works with an inspector palette, just like Pages used to. So some of you may be familiar with that. I have a toolbar across the top. One of the things that I can do is under View, I can customize this toolbar with more items, paste style, copy style, all this stuff, simply by dragging them in if I want. When I'm done, I hit done. That's one thing to always know is View, Customize toolbar, and I can put my own tools up here. Also, like I stated in previous courses and lessons, if you go to the name of the app and you go to preferences, it's a good thing to check out the preferences for the app, because this kind of gives you some inside information on what this app can do. All right, beyond the toolbar right here in our editing features, we have the book title right there. If I put in a book title, I can say my book, my book, well, it's a title, so I should do a capital B. I can have some intro media. I can drag in a movie, and this movie will automatically play when somebody opens this book for the first time. Very good for science and social studies text. It grabs attention. Table of contents. The table of contents gets automatically filled in as we put in certain types of pages. So we have chapter 1 untitled and section 1 untitled. If I were to go to section 1 untitled and call this chicken. Oh, chicken. I like chicken better. And I go back here, you can see that it automatically fills in. So basically you write your pages. It's going to start with a chapter and sections and pages that follow that. This is a very text heavy one. You can get rid of the text, you can get rid of these pages. You can also like swap out the style of pages too. Dropping in media is as simple as it is in Pages. Let me do a quick screenshot of this piece of the mountain. There we go. And let me go grab it over here. And if I drag it in, you can see it's pretty much just the same as it is in Pages. Over here, widgets. Oops, telephone. Hold on. Oh, everyone quiet. There we go. Everything's off. Okay. Widgets right here, you can do, these are little blocks of information that you can embed in your book. You can have a gallery. If I stick that in there, you can see that my inspector here changed, and I can throw in a bunch of different pictures. I'm going to shift click. Oh, we can only go one at a time. And I can add another one. I'll just add 2. There we go. And you can see that it makes a little navigation thing right here. Let's get out of that. There's also media players, 3D objects you can get and embed in your books, interactive images, popovers, great for vocabulary words and things like that. You can even embed a whole keynote into these. And that's pretty much it. If you want to add a new page, you go right up here and you pick, well, am I starting a new chapter or a section of a chapter, and so forth. You can make just a picture book, a kindergarten picture book. This would be great. When you're all done, you're probably going to export this right here. Export as an iBook, hit next, and you can title it and save it to the temporary storage on your desktop till you know exactly what you want to do with it. And this can be put in Schoology for in your resources for kids to tap on and put onto their iPads. It works well. The other thing that you can do is tie your iBooks to an iTunes U account, and that's for another video. Hey, by the way, if you ever want more work with iBooks Author, feel free to throw in a web help desk ticket, email help@nina.k12.wi.us, and ask for this. I'll be over there to help you. This is just a short introduction video. Now it's long, but yeah.